Is your fuel pump working properly? A bad fuel pump can cause starting issue, engine station, or even complete failure. In this video, I will show you how to test a fuel pump using a 12-volt battery and a multimeter step by step in a simple and safe way. Let's get started. This is our fuel pump. As we can see here, this is a negative terminal indicator, which is directly connected to the battery negative terminal. And next to it, we have here the 12-volt operating voltage rating. And here, this is a positive terminal indicator, which should be connected to the battery positive terminal. Here is the fuel pump's discharge outlet, which sends fuel to the engine. On the rear side, there is the suction inlet covered by a filter close. This filter helps to trap some solid particles, preventing them from entering the pump and causing damage. Now, let's test the fuel pump by supplying battery power. Before doing that, first check the battery voltage is 12 volt or not. Then let's set the multimeter selector to a DC voltage mode. Alright, that's enough to proceed with this test. Next, connect the ground terminal first, then the positive terminal. You see the spark here? It is an indication of the pump is stuck. This means there is no short circuit or open circuit in the motor winding. Instead, the issue is likely due to the pump being inactive for a long time, causing the petrol to clog inside the rotor shaft. Here is another fuel pump with a similar feature. It has a positive and negative terminal, a discharge pipe, and a small hole at the rear side for filtering solid particle. Now, let's connect the negative terminal. Be careful. Here, be careful. I'm telling you again and again, be careful not to reverse the polarity. Connecting the terminals incorrectly could short circuit or damage the motor. With the negative terminal connected, we now attach the positive terminal to the pump's positive terminal. However, there is no sound and no spark. This suggests that the motor inside is either open circuited or burned out. Finally, this is our last fuel pump. We will connect it just like before, ensuring the correct polarity. Yes, we can hear the sound. It is working properly. That's a good sign. Now, let us test it by submerging it in a simple gasoline fuel tank. When working with petrol fuel, always be extremely cautious. Avoid short circuits or accidental misconnections, since they can lead to severe fire hazards and serious injury. Double check all connections before proceeding to ensure safety. This is all about today's video. We checked multiple pumps, identified issues, and verified a working one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.